Hello everyone, Shandip Banerjee here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how you can highlight your mouse cursor so that whenever you are giving any online presentation, or maybe you are taking a class where your students need to see their cursor, or maybe you are recording your screen for any of the video tutorial, sometimes this cursor highlighting is very useful so that your audience can follow your cursor properly in the screen. So let me show you what I'm talking about. You can see in this mouse cursor I am using, there is a hello around this particular cursor, and using this orange color you are able to follow this cursor. So let's see how we can configure it very quickly. It's very easy, so let me show you in some of the steps. So first of all, you need to go to your start menu and then you type mouse. So what it will do, it will show you this mouse settings. You can click on that and your settings will open. There you need to navigate to additional mouse options. If you click on that, you will be able to get additional options to configure your mouse. So let me click on that, and here is this properties. So this is mouse properties. You need to go to pointers. You can see that currently I have a set of mouse cursors selected. That is why I am able to use it. So for you, maybe this is currently in the Windows default, right? And you are able to see in this way. So there are certain options available. Let me talk about that. First of all, there are multiple schemes available which are Windows default. So this blue highlighted, orange highlighted, or yellow, I created it separately for my use. You will be able to see everything else except these three options in your computer. So here there are certain options available. Maybe if you want this extra large option and this inverted one, you can use this thing. So it will be useful. However, having an additional hello around this particular cursor will be an additional help. And this is what we wanted to achieve in this particular video. So you can check the different options available, whatever is there in your system. And in some case, those are some of the options can be helpful for you. So this is one thing. Second is how we can now change it. So there are two things. Whenever we are using a mouse cursor, so this is a picture file actually. So whenever we use a JPEG, PNG, or any other kind of a picture, so this is similar to a picture file. However, this is having a different extension of cursor. So let me show you from where you can download additional files and you can configure. So I got a reference of one particular site, that is rwdesigner.com. So you can check the description tab for this particular link. This is a site doesn't look fancy compared to the other sites available nowadays. However, this is very useful and loads of resources are available here. You can try different other editors and other things. However, what I have done, I went to gallery and I searched for required mouse cursors. So there are several type of cursors available. You can go for single cursor or a set of cursors also. Whenever I'm talking about set, you can see that normal select is one picture. In case working in background, it will be separate. So these are set of cursors available in a single package. So let me go back to this particular website. If I just click on this particular search option and if I type cursor highlight, and then you will be able to see several options here. You can just search through and you can find out what actually you are looking for and what actually solves your purpose. So maybe let me select this one. I'll maybe choose this particular blue highlight one and I'll click on that. Here you can see that one download option is there. It's a very small file, and considering it's a picture file, it doesn't cause any harm to your computer also. So let me click on this download so that it will download to my computer. So you can see it's downloaded. Yeah, it's done. Now I have this particular downloaded file available in my downloads folder. So if I click on that, I'll be able to see that. So yes, this is the one. Earlier also actually downloaded the same file. You can see that there are multiple copies created. So let me right click on this particular file and click on cut so that I can move it in a different folder. Now let me open my computer. And then let me locate Windows folder. Here you will be able to see one particular folder, that is cursors. And there you will be able to see that multiple other cursors are already available. So if I just click on Ctrl V, and it will ask you for the permission. Considering you are making a change within Windows folder, that is why this is for. So let me click on continue and it will get copied here. So this has been now copied in your cursor folder. So if you go back to this mouse option and if you click on this browse, then you will be able to see that this is the one I just downloaded. So this blue highlighted, and if I click on open, then you can see this particular halo is there around that mouse cursor. I would advise you to save this particular scheme using a different name, and so that you will be able to locate it in future. So let me name it as dark blue highlighted. Now you can see this dark blue highlighted scheme has been created. If I now click on apply, you can see my mouse is having a halo now. So wherever I'll move my mouse now, whoever is following, maybe using a recorded video or maybe in a live meeting, and they will be able to follow my mouse properly. You can download multiple such mouse cursors from this particular specific site or from other sites also, and you can save it as a different scheme in case you need to change anything. Like I just wanted to go ahead with this orange highlighted again, and if I click on apply and OK, I'll be able to use it. So hopefully this was helpful, and it will really help you in your online experience in this new normal. Hopefully this will be very useful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. In case you wanted to watch similar content in future, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.